Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to ignore calls without blocking in any iPhone. So guys, if you want to ignore calls without blocking, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, basically you can easily ignore calls on your iPhone without officially blocking the caller, depending on whether you want to silence an individual contact, unknown numbers, or everyone all at once. You can utilize the native focus mode, you can utilize a silence unknown callers option, or you can utilize custom silent ringtones. So guys, if you want to turn on a focus mode to ignore calls without blocking, then you have to simply drag down your control center and then tap on this focus mode button. So guys, simply tap on this and turn on the focus mode on your device. So guys, do this and it will ignore calls automatically without blocking. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply turn on silence unknown callers option. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, scroll it below and go to apps, and then scroll it below and go to phone option. So I simply tap on this and now scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to simply screen unknown callers by choosing silence mode from here. So guys, you can see this, you can easily screen unknown callers from these three options. So guys, first one is never, then second is ask a reason for calling, and the third one is silence. You have to simply check this to silence, and after this the calls will be ignored without blocking. So guys, this is the second way, and the third way is that you can use a silent ringtone for some specific contacts. So guys, for example, I am going to open this contact. So guys, simply open this contact first and then tap on this warning button and then tap on edit button. Again, tap on edit contact info and scroll it below all the way, and here you will see ringtone option. Here you can see this, simply tap on ringtone, and from here you can select any ringtone, or you can check this to none button from here as well. So guys, you can see this, if it is on default, then you have to simply go back, and from here you have to simply check this to none button. So guys, these are the ways which can help you to ignore calls without blocking anyone on iPhone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.